Hi, I washed my hair and these are dreadlocks with extensions. I didn't lose any. Well, I did lose one. Here's one that I lost. And what I'm gonna do is replace it because this is crazy. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up the ends here. It's sort of dry now. I waited too long to do the video. This is leave-in conditioner that I just put in. And I'm going to loosen up the ends. You got two loose ends. I'm going to attach them together. Twist it. Twist it. Same theory as when you're adding the extension. You're still adding extension hair, except that the dread is already. Remember, you're also twisting to get every angle. I'm twisting it around. You can also grab loose hair. You can also grab loose hair to rebuild it. See, it's thin in that area. You can put your loose extension hair in it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down inside the dreadlock and pull it up. See that? See the puffy all the way down here? Sprayed it just to loosen it up a little bit. Get a little of my gel, put it here, and palm roll all that little full hair together. See how it's getting thinner? There we go. See that? Up here needs to be done too. Put my little clip in. Roll it in one direction. See the fullness at the bottom? Just palm roll it. Crochet needle and fix it. Can you see that? Palm roll it. I can palm roll it all the way down the hair shaft. Bring it to the side. Clip. What you can also do while you have a section that's clipped already, you can put the rollers on it. And as you come up, remove the clip because now the rollers are going to hold your hair in one place, and it's going to hold your new growth nice and firm. See that new growth nice and firm? And now I'm going to go ahead and do my whole head, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done.